What's wrong, Titus?
Ugh. I got another splinter from these rundown enclosures.
I know! We get the best care of any raptors anywhere, but our housing is just atrocious.
It's like getting Ritz-Carlton service inside a flophouse.
Right, our houses! We seriously need to upgrade the apparatus. Renovate the kitchens, swimming pools, solar panels, subway tile. Not quite, Lulu. The plans are state-of-the-art, but we're still talking about the art of bird cages.
Lulu, you got any money to pay for these new cages?
I'm a bird?
Alba?
Ditto, Titus.
How about you, Bubo? You got any money?
Who?
You.
Who?
You.
Raptors, such as ourselves, do not have pockets. No pockets, no money. You see, old chap, you must ask the kind-hearted people with pockets who are watching this.
Good, kind, handsome people with pockets. We need your financial contributions. In the arms of the wreckage, may you find...
Tup there, Titus. Straighten up now, that's it. Stiff up a beak. I am most certain that the good people with pockets have received your emotional plea and will be clicking that fundraiser link just below our talons any moment now.
Oh, I can feel the money rolling in. We're gonna have new housing in no time. Woohoo!
Yay! New cages! Hooray!
They're not for you!